What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today's video is being shooted by vlogging goggles. And tell me by liking this video to to know that how it is and what it's like. So guys, in today's video we're gonna see what's inside a DC motor. As you can see here, it's from an RC car. So let's go forward and see what's in it. Okay guys, I'm gonna bang it in this ground, as you can see, and the ground is too hot and I forgot to wear my slippers. Wow. So okay guys, as you can see here is the motor. So I'm gonna bang it. Okay guys, let's bang it. Okay guys, DC motors are very strong, so they won't break easily, so we need to take a couple more takes. Okay guys, the floor is too hot and I can't stand, and but you guys, I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna rotate the cam. Guys, it's too easy to hold the mobile by vlogging goggles than by hand. And let's bang it once again. So it's too hard for me to shoot because my brother would shoot it many times, and now I'm holding it, so it's being difficult. Okay guys, again. So I think I need to do it. I'm gonna do the drop test. So, oh my god, the floor is in lava. It's too hot guys. I can't stand in heat like that. So many. Okay guys, I dropped it and I think it broke. So okay guys, I dropped it down and let's see the results. Where is it? Oh my god, the part of it just came out, as you can see here, and the other part, come here. Okay guys, the mechanism of it is, I think it's simple, but the way it works is awesome. As you can see here guys, this is the motor. This is its outer shell. The floor is too hot. I couldn't stand in it, so I quickly sat down. So I'm gonna quickly open it and show it to you guys. And okay, don't mind if the camera is tilted because this is round and it's being hard for me to hold it by one hand. Oh my god, this floor is okay. I need to that's good. Okay. Okay guys, this is the motor. So this part had holded it for that so long, so let's take it out. Okay, this is moving a lot. think I need to carry it. So, oh, I have a good idea. Okay, guys. Oh my god, this floor is too hot. So there are too many ants. This video is so boring, I think, because I'm just telling my flow. Oh my god. Okay guys, I think we need to do the drop test again. Guys, that feels better. I actually wore my slippers and oh my god, my foot was in lava and I didn't wear it. Okay guys, I'm quickly gonna drop it. Okay guys, it dropped and I'm gonna pick it. Guys, as I told, this part of the shell is too hard and it's, I think, unbreakable, so I think I need to bring the big guy, the hammer, bro. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you liked it. I know it was boring, but hope you liked it, and bye bye.